Hey everybody, so I'm at the Mot Nutrition and I'm about to check on these donation boxes. So this is my first stop. So let's see what's going on. Hey Sarah!
Welcome.
Oh, I am here to check on these donation boxes.
Awesome.
Alright, let's see what we got, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Look. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so excited. Did you see all the things in this box? It's like him. This is the good stuff. This is the good stuff. Oh my goodness. It's toothbrushes in here, deodorants, full-size items, body wash or body spray. Oh, I am so excited. Oh, wipes. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you. And you can donate. My location box my donation box locations are on my website, so you can go to basicallysoap.com and click Clean Community Initiative, and you will find out where my location donation boxes are. All right. Hey guys, so I am at the Namaste for Life, and I am going to see what these donation boxes look like in there, or what their donation box looks like. I am so excited. Hey everybody, so I am at Namaste, and this is Reba, the owner of Namaste for Life in Middletown, Delaware, and I'm checking on my donation box. So let's see what we got. Oh my goodness, look at it. These donations are freaking awesome. And just remember, you can find donation box locations at basicallysoap.com on the Clean Community Initiative page. All right, see you next time. Okay guys, I am going into the Middletown Pilates, Club Pilates, and let's see what is this donation box has. Hello. Okay. Oh my goodness. Can you believe this? This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Do you see all of this, you guys? Do you see all of these? This is, oh my goodness, this is toothbrushes, like toothpaste. Oh my goodness. Mouthwash. This is awesome. What else? What other goodies are in here? Who's gonna get this? Oh, great stuff, you guys. Great stuff. Look at this. And to find location box locations, go to my website under Clean Community Initiative, and you will find out where you can donate items for this local community initiative. And if you are a business that wants to host a donation box, please click this QR code and join the initiative. As well as if you just want to know where to donate or how, go to this QR code and click donate. Thanks for watching.